This is the Iron Trader, and this is midday trading. Today we're going to go a little bit off topic here. We're going to look at Howard Hughes Holdings. Okay, this is they manage and develop commercial, residential, real estate throughout the U.S. Okay, so basically have property like in Texas and in Florida and New York. But the intriguing one to me is the property that they have in Las Vegas. Now, if you watch the Super Bowl, you can see that is Las Vegas is the entertainment capital of the world. Okay, well, what this property is, it's only 10 minutes off the strip, and it's not really like property. It's almost like a whole city, basically, that what they're developing, and they're getting a lot of interest. This guy, actor Mark Wahlberg, he sold his house in California, and that's where he moved, and just a beautiful home. So there's a lot of interest here going on here. And again, this is just going to be the start of what they're going to be doing. So today we're going to take a look at the charts. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have daily chart, Howard Hughes Holdings here. Okay, now what do we have here? Well, we had pretty much a gap in a kind of a go situation. It rallied up, but if you look at the bottom of this candle here, okay, you're looking at 72.10. And then if you look at the bottom of this, you're looking at 72.17. So that was a really nice double bottom trade. And then look how nice it rallied all the way up here to 86.72. Now you can see where it's coming on down here, and it's just going like a little bit of like a sideways action moving on up here. However, right now what we have, let's just look at the downside first. So what we want to do is you want to watch this key 8 SMA here, 77.44. That needs to hold, okay? So again, if that is lost, then we'll look to the bottom of this candle. You're looking at 77.04. We look to the top of this candle, you're looking at 76.31. And then we have your 100 SMA here sitting at, what do we got there? 75.96. And then we have a retest here of 74.96. Now, it really needs to hold that level. But it looks like here that this could be a possible really nice scalper, because look here, where you put a low and then it just rallies right up. Almost like a bear flag situation, but it's not. But that would be a good, a point to get into, and then you can just sell it right on out. Okay, so if this 74.96 here doesn't hold, then what we want to do is you want to go back to this double bottom situation. So you had that 72.17. So that would be your gap, okay? And then what we have here is your fill. You look to the top of this candle, you're looking at 70.83. Now we have another gap in fill right below this is right here, okay? So you have a low of 68.76. That's your gap. And then the top of that is 68.38. So there's your gap in your fill situation here, okay? Then we have another gap and fill situation there. However, that's only if they would lose this key price channel here at 74.96. Now, here on the upside, well, obviously you want to watch today's high. You're looking at 78.28. Then we can come over here to this candle. You're looking at 78.57. You have 79.60. And then we have 79.66, which is your 21 SMA. And then right above that, what do we have is we have 80.99. That is your 50 SMA. And then you can just, use the candlesticks on going all the way up. You have 82.50 here. We have 83.67, and then we have a retest there of 84.15. And then next price channel, we just look right over at the top of this candle. You're looking at 85.25, and then we have 86.72. Now, this doesn't do the most volume, okay? So you have to be careful here on the volume. But it looks like this company here is just getting started here, because the charts are just starting to build here. But this is the one that you might want to watch going in the future here with the development, because they do like really high-end exclusive properties. And, most of if you're really rich, you're not really care about interest rates because you got cash, okay? So this could be really, really something good going down the road. So when you look at the RSI here, you got plenty of room to run here in either direction. This is still just a little bearish here. Your momentum is your green is below your red. That's still in a bearish situation. But if you can get it to roll and come over here like we did here, then you can have a good momentum rolling all the way on up here, okay? So basically, bottom line, what you want to watch today is you want to watch that 8 SMA, 77.42. You want to watch this 100 SMA here at 75.96, and then your key support level at 74.96. On the upside, we want to watch 79.66 and then 80.99. If you can get above that, you have a nice retest up here of 84.15. So this might be, if you're into property, into management, stuff like that, this one might just be for you. All right, that's what I got for you on the old Howard Hughes. Thanks for watching.